Our Hiligaynon word for the day is dungan. Dungan. When we say dungan, that means together, at the same time, simultaneous or coincident. Dungan. Let us have the following sample sentences using the Hiligaynon word dungan. Dungan ang ila paghalindiri. Dungan ang ila paghalindiri. That means they left or will leave here together. They left here together or they will leave here together. Dungan ang ila paghalindiri. Dungan gid ining daguob kag pangilat. Dungan gid ining daguob kag pangilat. That means the flash and thunder were simultaneous. Dungan gid ining daguob kag pangilat. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, dungan. Dungan. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.